Hello and welcome to today's tips and tricks. Today we'll be looking at Snap View and how we can use it to rotate around the model. So we can always use our views, which are located here, to rotate from one place to the next. Or we could use the middle mouse button, move this back into place. We can go through and use Snap View, which is the option located here. And you'll see that we can now use this, and I'll pick it now, to snap to different geometry on screen simply by selecting it. Clicking it will move to a heads-up view of that. Additionally, if we click and drag in a given direction, we'll rotate in that way, 90 degrees. So here we've seen how I can use it by clicking the tool, but let's also look at the shortcut for it. So I can rotate with the middle mouse button, I can zoom with Control middle mouse button, and pan with Shift middle mouse button. So to snap view, I hold Shift and Control as I use my middle mouse button and view all around the model. If you start to use this, I call it the flipper, you can go through and view many parts of the model very quickly. Thank you very much for watching today's tips and tricks, and I hope you've learned something.